The Duke and Duchess of Sussex have set up a new life for themselves in California, U.S., which is Meghan's home state. Their tumultuous exit from the royal family's frontline drew attention from around the world, especially when it was announced they intended to spend the majority of their time in North America from March onwards. This prompted an international debate over who would pay for the former royals' security. The Royal Canadian Mounted Police were intermittently guarding the couple during those 5 months. Reports revealed this cost approximately £30,000 for just half of their stay. Once they ended royal duties and were no longer recognized as international protected persons, the protection ceased. Then, shortly before lockdown measures closed most international borders, the couple secretly hightailed it across to the western coast of the U.S. with their 1-year-old son Archie. President Donald Trump was quick to tweet that he had no intention of supporting their security bill through U.S. tax money either as soon as he learned of their arrival. However, the Sussexes said they had their own security. It was later found to have been funded by Prince Charles, at an estimated cost of £4 million per year. During the midst of this debate, TV presenter and columnist Jeremy Clarkson pointed out that the couple should have been more secretive about their security. He speculated, "Wherever they go, the couple will be accompanied by a highly visible squad of men with curly-whirly earpieces who will keep the sleeves of their expensive suits fully informed about what's going on at all times." "This will make the prince and princess feel very important," he added. "Of course, Harry and his wife are close family members of the Queen, but I'll be honest, I'm not sure they need protection." He claimed that as sixth in line to the throne, Harry would not be a target.